So you may have noticed that from my robot videos, I'm a very big fan of animatronics, and one of the easiest places to find animatronics is Chuck E. Cheese. So now, I am becoming a collector of Chuck E. Cheese merchandise. I recently went there, and a few things I picked up include these plushies, and this plushie that is from summer 2020, but the unique thing about it is it's tourist edition Chucky, and of course in 2020 no one was traveling anywhere, so it's kind of a funny scenario. But that's not the main focus of this video. The main focus are the two big ticket items I got. The first one I got is this Chuck E. Cheese limited edition Squishmallow. Now if you don't know what Squishmallows are, they're basically big plushies about the size of pillows, and the whole thing about them is that they're stylized in a little marshmallow shape, and they have the texture of a very, very soft blanket, and they have the squishiness of marshmallows, hence Squishmallow. And of course this has his iconic purple shirt. Squishmallows. Chuck E. Cheese edition. Okay. This is probably the best item they have there. Another one I got is this premium light up cup. As you can see, it's very Galaxy themed, and if you know any of Chuck E. Cheese's songs, this is one of the original songs, Out of This World. It's a very good summer song. Now this is what I'm going to be unboxing. It's the Chuck E. Cheese Premium Light Up Cup. Now this is a pretty new item they have there, so I'm going to see what exactly it is and what's inside. Because it doesn't say exactly how it lights up, or if it needs batteries, or what. Okay, let's get right into this. Oh, there we go. Not much packaging there. But there, it's very shiny. It has a nice sheen to it all around the surface, if you can see that. Now let's see if it lives up to its title. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, let's see what else. And the straw is removable too. I really like the color scheme of this. And the nice fade of shades of purple that it has here. Okay, let's see how this looks in the dark. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Chuck E. Cheese unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and have a Chucky day!